I get 3 airplanes.
Yeah, you made 3 airplanes?
Yeah.
Okay, what else are you going to tell me?
I have planes in the truck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What else?
Another truck. A big one go right there, and a little one go right there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's driving the trucks?
A people.
What kind of people?
A new ones.
New people?
Yeah.
Where'd these people come from?
They in the dirt.
Are they zombies?
No. They are people. They are people. Yeah.
Because zombies are people too?
No. No, they are God and man. Yeah, they in the truck.